Ati want Babu Ati.
Babu Ati?
Yes, Ati or Babu.
Did Ati go swimming too?
Yeah. Yes.
Do you want to go swimming as well?
Yes.
Show me how you swim. Whoa! You're a very good swimmer.
Baby! A baby!
Sweetie, have a look. She's wearing her favorite dress again today. Who's this, honey?
It's here!
Sophia. Is that your favorite one?
Yeah. There's mommy.
Yes, mommy. I love you, princess.
I said mama.
Where did you go this morning? With daddy?
I told daddy's chair.
Where did you go?
I told daddy.
To Tommy?
I told daddy. I told daddy.
Where did you go?
Don't go.
Tommy. Can you say Tommy?
Tommy.
Yeah. Did you say hi to Tommy?
Yeah.
Show me your watch. Have a look. She was making it last night.
Yeah.
Oh, my book. It's here.
No, that's because I put it in a hairy place.
Oh, okay.
Then I
But yeah, siya lang yung gumawa. Sige na, go. Go inside. I'm dropping Ate to school now.
That's Asa.
Elsa, come on, sweetheart. Whoa!
I did it.
You did it. Good job.
More.
More?
More, Nini.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to the library later?
No. I want to slide.
Yeah, you can slide. I'm saying later.
I want to slide.
Yes.
I want to slide.
So she can do it by herself now. So, pinapasok ko sa Ate Paris sa kanyang classroom. Ito siya. Una na dito. Naalala ko pa yung mga araw na hindi pa siya nakakaakyat dito ng mag-isa. And now you're a big girl. You're a winner! Sakit pa rin ang singaw ko, guys. Whoa! You did it! Great job.
A few moments later.
Come on, keep moving. Andito kami sa baba. Paglalaroin ko muna ito. Punta sana kami ng library, 10:30 eh. Maaga pa naman. Sabi ko, paglaro ko muna ito ng ganyang scooter before kami pumunta. Wow! Ay, galing-galing naman na si Linoy. Go that way lang. That way. Hmm?
I want reach.
Gusto niya yung mag-roll lang by itself.
What?
Hold on. I'll push a little bit. She's dating a gangster. What are you doing with the ice, anak? Ha? Basa-basa. Umakyat pa kami dito, guys, kasi itong isa ay paiyak-iyak na. Paiyak-iyak na si Inday Badiday. Ay, ano bang magluluto? Dito na ako ay Mama's hungry. Akala ko meron kami nung sisig, guys. 555 sardines pala ito eh. Anak. Tignan niyo, lakas kumain ng ice. May pinagmanahan tong batang ito eh. Ako kain din ako ng ice when I was a kid. Kain ng ice with rice. Nakdo? Did you enjoy your bike lang? Bike yung tawag niya sa kanyang scooter eh. I'm currently making bacon, and si Daddy Mike, he's working from home today even though it's Friday. Lumabas na siya, pumunta siya ng doktor. Kasi, alam niyo ba, pinapunta ko siya ng doktor the other day. Kasi, oh my God, yung asthma niya, guys. I don't even know if it's just like an asthma, but wala naman siyang lagnat or anything, but pag umubo siya, guys, parang masisira yung bahay. Grabe. So, sabi ko sa kanya, kasi yan siya, very hard papuntahin ng doktor. Inadmit niya sa akin na parang normal talaga yan sa mga men na very, pumunta ng doktor kasi they think that, we'll just go away, I'm tough, ganun, diba? Pero sa akin, sabi ko sa kanya, kailangan mo na talagang pumunta ng doktor. Just in case, there's something else, di ba? So, at least, yung gamot na ibibigay sa'yo ay makakatulong ba kaagad. So, naaawa ako, guys, kasi ubo ng ubo. And also, like, during the night, nagigising yung mga bata. Minsan, hindi na kami, magkatabi sa, matulog. Kasi, very, man siya. So, dito siya sa kabila or sa couch, natutulog. So, nung pumunta siya the other day, sabi ng doktor na, pinadalhan siya ng parang maliit na lagyan ng Plema niya. So, yung doktor naman, malapit lang dito sa bahay, malalakad lang. Sabi sa kanya, it has to be fresh. Pag may ka na Plema, pag malabas na Plema, dapat ka agad para matest nila ba. Kasi grabe, guys, kung maririnig nyo lang siyang umubo. I don't know kung narinig nyo in the previous video kasi minsan pag nag-ubo siya, hindi naman ako nagbablog. But every now and then, pag ubo-ubo siya, and sobrang, alam niyo yung habugong in Bisaya? Ganun. Hindi ko ma-explain na maayos, but yeah, and he's had it for like a few weeks now, kaya sabi ko, this is not good. Kasi, dapat sana wala na yan, diba? So, pinus ko siya talagang magpumunta ng doktor. Tapos sa kakaubo niya, minsan, naanuhan siya ng hininga. Like, parang sumisikip yung dibdib niya ba? So, the other night, hinanapan ko talaga siya ng kasi may ginagamit yan siyang pang alam niyo yung Ventolin? Ventolin na pala. Tawag doon. Yung pang-spray ba? Kaagad kapag ubo. And it helped him. Kaya kahapon, pinabili ko siya ng bago. Sabi ko just in case. Kasi, magad, natatakot talaga ako kapag umubo. Excited, umubo na siya kasi. Parang uubusan siya ng hininga.
Daddy, Mommy.
Daddy? Nakauwi na siya. Bilis-bilis lang. Pinabili ko rin ng itlog para lutuin ko with the sardines. Are you done with your ice lang? Done with the ice. Kurot naman.
It's here.
Basta.
Daddy.
Daddy.
I saw Dada.
Did you go to the doctor?
Yeah.
What did they say?
Pathology book. You just drop it.
Okay. And then they'll just call you the result?
Yeah, if there's something wrong, they'll call me.
Huh?
If there's something they want to call me, if there's something they want to speak about, they'll call me. Are you daddy?
Hang on. Do you want to come down? Okay. Because I'm gonna cook. 1, 2, 3, go. Upo pa more. Upo pa more. Wait, anak. You break 2? Open like this, see? See, 1, 2, 3. Ayun na! Don't break the shell lang. One more egg. Okay, hold. 1, 2. Whoa! Linis!
More.
So good. No, 2 is enough, honey. 2 is enough. Okay? Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. And then, ay! Hala, siyang bataan nilagay man sa itlog. Hala ka lang. It's on your dress lang. You have to change your dress now. Mura ba yun na imong favorite? Give it to Mama. Do you want to help Mama mix it? Tingnan niyo ang batang ito. Bit-bit isang dress. Sabi ko, anak, yan yung susuotin mo tonight, ha? Kasi, ngayong gabi, birthday dinner ng pinsan ko. And we are going. And tingnan niyo, bit-bit niya.
Mommy?
Yes? Ikaw na talaga, anak. Mag-Ate Paris now. Dito kami sa, tingnan nyo, TK Maxx. Bibili kami ng regalo for Tito EJ. Hanap-hanap kami. For sure, meron kami makikita dyan. Lots of options. Initially, sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, maybe tawag dito, perfume. Come on na, anak! Come on! Sabi ko, maybe yung shirt or something. This way! Oh my God, Princess Celine. This way! Ito yung suot din sa birthday.
No, I
Cute naman ito eh.
I want it for myself.
$40.
I want it for myself.
That's so cute lang.
Mermaid! I know! I want it! Mommy!
It's now 5:05 guys and kakauwi lang namin. Literally kakapasok lang namin ng bahay. And nakita ko to siya dito sa bench. And I was thinking, ano kaya to? I'm not really sure kung anong laman ng box na to. I can't remember. Like, to be honest.
It might be a necklace.
So, see kung anong laman. Thank you, mga. Okay. Finally, dumating din siya. I ordered this. Alala ko pa talaga, guys. 1st of November. Kasi, gusto ko siyang gamitin for my birthday. Which is nung 17th of November. Today is already 24th. Ngayon lang siya dumating. So, wala eh. Hindi ko siya nagamit for my birth. This is my... Water, ate. Boomba.
What's a boomba?
Bra inserts. Or what? Basta. Ganito siya. Bumili ako nito kasi nung birthday ko, yung suot ko na top, diba? Hindi siya kailangang mag-bra. Kailangan mo lang siya ng parang mag-push ba. Anyways, ganito siya, oh. Boom, boom, ba. Ayan. Ganito siya, oh. Ganyan. See? Maglagay ka ng boom ba, may ganyan. Oh, meron kang pa-cleavage. So, si mami nyo naman ay walang, guys, hindi talaga ako biniyayaan ng pangharap. Kahit panglikod naman. Hindi ako nabiyayaan. Tulog ako nung nagsabwag ang Ginoo ng, guys, ng bebe. So, wala ako noon. Kaya, palaban tayo sa ganito. So, ganito siya. Yeah. Kapag taon na. So, may deal kasi sila sa kanilang page na 2 inserts. Actually, guys, alam nyo ba, gagawa ako ng nito. Gagawa ako ng, what's the word?
Can you feel this
Gagawa ako ng review nito. Shh, this will be our little secret. Ganyan. Sila?
Can you take that? Can you take that off and I'll open it?
I did mine so easy. Hey.
Thank you.
Wow! Ganito siya tingnan. Girly things, you know? Kasi pag may mga okasyon ba, tonight, baka magamit ko to siya tonight. Ano ba susutin ko tonight? Para magkaroon din tayo ng maganda dito tingnan ba? So, yung isa,
I could do that one.
ganyan siya. Para siyang triangle yung isa na. Yung isa ay ganito. Apparently, this is very sticky, guys. Like, very sticky sa, I'll do a review. Kasi gusto ko pa mag-review nito. Kasi itong kumpanya na to, guys, nag-reach out sila sa akin last year. Tapos, last year kasi, busy ang lola niyo, so hindi ako nakapag-reply kaagad. And tapos, nawala na yung nila. Nag-reply ako late na. Hindi na sila nag-reply balik sa akin. And I really wanted to try the product, so kaya bumili ako. Wala, We'll see. We'll see. Very cute ng kanilang Anak ko! Anak! Anak ka lang! Diyos ko, Lord.
I want this paper.
Tingnan yung ginagawa ko. Go shower, dali ka. Ito yung binili namin pang pala, for my cousin.
No.
Bumili lang ako ng shirt, guys, na Calvin Klein. Baby. Time check, guys. It's now 7:15 ng gabi and nakabihis na ang family. Ito yung pa-outfit natin, Paris, for today. Careful, ate, mataga ka. Daddy Mike and Celine, nasa baba na sila. Tinurn on nila yung sasakyan. I'm just gonna quickly show you my outfit. So, I'm not happy kasi yung aking contact lens, guys, for some reason, first time ko siyang sinuot nung birthday dinner ko with Daddy Mike. And I was wondering why it was very uncomfortable. Ano pala siya, guys? Parang nag-isi ba? Na-tear. Tagalog dun, oy. So, tinapon ko na yung isa. Yung isa na lang naiwan. So, now I can't wear it kasi isa lang. So, I have to wear my glasses hanggang dumating yung aking biniling bago.
And also, I made a present for TJ.
Kaya pala tinanong niya ako kanina kung ilang taon na daw ang kanyang tito. 23. Suot ko ng aking high heels. That's nice, Haniga. So, ito ang aking pa-outfit. Ang aking hair ay straight lang. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, straight daw for today's video. Ate, come na, babe. Kasi mataga ka. That's Ate Paris' outfit. And then, Mommy's ay... diba? Sino ka dyan? So, tayo? Ang tawag dito, guys? Bodysuit. Pero, may ganito ako. yung binili ko sa op-shop na Veronica made na jacket. Para may ano tayo pang sarado. Ayan. So, just lukot-lukot here. Lukot-lukot. Ganyan. And see. And then, bag. Tadading! O, diba? Heels. O, saan ako pupunta niyan? Ganyan lang ang ating pa-outfit for tonight. Ay, bago ko makalimutan. Ilagay ko to dito para mas bongga. Ayan. O, diba? Hala, I love my outfit. Rampa-rampa. Rampa-rampa pam-pam. Alis na tayo. Buti na lang yung binook nila na restaurant. Oh my God. Singaw ko. Restaurant ay malapit lang dito. So, we don't have to like rush. Come na ate, let's go. Ala, hindi pa pala nasirado yung... Ala, can you please lock the back door, ala? Then our gift. Yes, please, anak.
I'm the daddy.
Open my door! She was screaming that. Sabi niya, Daddy, open my door! Nilabas na si, Ate Paris, doon na sila. So, kakapark lang namin dito. Let's get out. Let's get the party started. Very lucky kasi nakahanap kami ng parking dito sa labas. Labas lang talaga. Happy birthday
Hello.
to you.
Glad you guys can make it.
Oh, of course.
Jack.
Jack.
And then
Jill.
and then Mike. And Jack. Hi, ate.
Hi, how are you?
I'm okay. Musta ante? How? Good. Ate,
Where's your dad?
Musta tita? Napangita po kayo dito.
This is like the longest table. I know. Tingnan niyo. Ano nga pa? I just say hi to you. Come on, mate. How are you doing? Oh, dyan mo, Tim. Oo.
What? Where's my dad? They're still looking for parking last time we heard.
We got lucky. Because the moment that we turned, the other car left. Very lucky. They knew we have kids. And I'm wearing my highest heels. So, you know. Yeah.
Ay, naka-heels ka na. I was scared.
She has heels, baby. Not. Sinumbaga na lang saan. Come on. Pagkakutuhog na lang ano. How you been? How are you? I mean, how are you? How are you? Hi. Busy na tayo. Busy.
Second.
How are you? Welcome home. Oh no, baby crying now. My baby not, Alisa baby. It's so cute. Hold the baby enough. Happy birthday to you. I can't remember na kung ano yung kinuha ko guys. Marinara, I think. Okay, happy birthday!
Valentine's and birthday.
It's the birthday boy.
Really?
Just turned 21.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, DJ. Happy birthday to you.
Wala, walang blow.
Make a wish. Make a wish, Foundation.
Let's go. Two more. One more after this one.
Good girl.
Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl.
La, make a wish. Twelve. 12th birthday.
Yeah.
Why is it 23?
I know, I was wrong, huh? I don't know where I got it from.
Take the number one because I'm Chinese. Let's figure out will one.
I know. You can't talk to your worship.
12.
That one. That's it.
How can people get you the wish if you don't tell them the wish?
Hindi ko natapos yung aking food. Tingnan yung aking food ay napakarami.
Yes, man, Celine.
Celine, is it your birthday, Lynn? Awat mo kayo, anak.
Oh, so good.
Mayo na kayo.
Oh, nagsinop.
Mayo na kayo pusing. Ano, la.
Yeah, carry on.
Sinustan.